What's up, guys? This is the beginning of vlog number 22. So, I originally was not going to vlog today, but I have something to actually be somewhat interesting in the vlog today. Basically that hoverboard that I mentioned in vlog number 15, I believe, we are finally fixing it. So that's basically the main topic of this vlog. I have some work to do, so I mean, most of the footage, possibly not all of it, but just a lot of footage is going to be of the fixing of the hoverboard in super speed. If you've never seen the inside of a hoverboard, here it is. Here's the battery. It's a drift car battery. Dad, look at this. This is drift car battery. It's the battery for another thing. Drift car battery. Previous frame. Previous still. Old new in here. Huh?
My old little friend.
New. Old. Here's the real damage right here. Literally broke off. Here's this piece. The part that goes right here. Wow. Definitely gonna be the thumbnail.
calibrate it now. Let's calibrate it.
And finally, the finished product after about 4 hours of my 3 hours of
don't sit that much. It's about 2.5.
my dad's hard work. This is the board. It is done, and he should let me test it instead of him. So you guys can watch me fall, and no more vlogs for Julian. Once again, here's the broken, well, here's what it used to be. I'm gonna have a picture or like a semi-video of what it used to be right now. Once again, this is the broken hoverboard. I just thought about it. I might actually have a vlog of the day my dad starts fixing it, and you guys will watch it and enjoy it. And basically, this is what it is now. So I mean, it looks almost brand new besides the wheels, the rims, which you cannot change. But just like new now. Luckily I didn't get on the board because something went wrong. I'm not sure exactly what, but there's my ringtone. My dad's recalibrating the board, but basically he put a pressure on one of the pads, and then it started blinking red. So if I stood on it, it would have just dropped. Like I would have dropped on the floor, and this would like fly over here. But oh yeah, this video is sponsored by Nesquik. So yeah, that beeping means that something got like disconnected or something like that. And the weird thing is that my dad actually tested it before completely screwing on a piece, and now it's doing that. So luckily I didn't get on it because I would have gotten badly hurt. Finally, about 30 minutes later, it is fixed and ready to go. I'm not trying it first this time based on what happened last time. So. It works. We are good to go. My camera battery is about to die in like, I don't even know, like a few seconds, so hopefully it doesn't die as I'm doing this. So I'm going to end the vlog here. Make sure you follow my other social medias, Vine, Twitter, Instagram. Links will be down in the description below. Turn on notifications. I will see you guys tomorrow.